I'm entering this room for the first time, and it is definitely a huge challenge for me and a responsibility to discharge my function as the Minister for Law and Justice of this country. Although I have a law degree, I have done my LLB from Campus Law Center, but I don't have much experience about the legal matter because I was never there in the profession. But everything can be handled with proper guidance, proper understanding of the subject, and application of right mind. Prime Minister's vision of making an Atmanirbhar Bharat also requires a robust legal system in our country. So I will be briefed by the officers, and as and when I'm guided by my seniors, the officials of this ministry, we will always try to be transparent, and we will always try to be approachable for the media so that you will know what this ministry is doing and how we are performing. So today, I don't think I require to make any additional comment more than what I just have said.
I feel greatly honored and privileged by the trust that has been reposed by the Honorable Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi ji, who has included me as a member of his team and assigned to me the work of this important ministry, which was so ably led by Shri Dharmendra Pradhan ji till now. The energy issues which are critical in the functioning of any economy, more so in the context of an economy like ours, which is a large economy. We were previous period prior to COVID, we were a $2.89 trillion economy. We are working to transition towards a $5 trillion economy. And energy issues have immense potential and also pose several challenges. The need to adapt to changing times, adopt new technologies, and to be in consonance with the energy transition which is taking place across the world, I think provides a fascinating opportunity. Clearly, our focus will be on increasing domestic production of crude and natural gas, and in line with Pradhan Mantri ji's vision of an Atmanirbhar Bharat. We will also work towards development of a natural gas-based economy in the country and increase the share of natural gas in the primary energy mix of the country to 15% by 2030, as announced by the Honorable Prime Minister. In the last 7 years, under the able guidance of Shri Dharmendra Pradhan ji, and before that of his predecessor, a number of path-breaking reforms and initiatives have been introduced in this sector. My effort will be to take those forward and to fulfill the expectations of the Prime Minister, our people and the country. अगर आप समझते हैं कि फ्यूल प्राइस के सवाल को मैं डक कर लूंगा, उसके बाद ओपेक में आ जाऊंगा, तो ओपेक क्या करती है? वही तो करती है इंटरनेशनल. तो इसके I assure you, you can check with your colleagues who cover the other ministries. I'm always open to a discussion, but it would be fair if you give me at least a few days to try and understand the complexity of the work. I have followed the issues covered by this ministry as a citizen, as a diplomat earlier, but it's very different to be a minister. So let me understand it and then we will talk.